Here's the 2011 4-ton Bryant Legacy line heat pump running in heat mode. What I meant to say, Bryant preferred. Nice and cold air. Copeland scroll in the blanket. Here's the logo. And there's 31 degrees outside right now. Fortunately, it's not humid, so no defrost cycles. But I'll make sure to try to get my upstairs train unit defrosting tomorrow morning. There's the data. There's the suction line. Nice and hot. Okay. And that Goodman has not been running. I'll just film it anyway. Here it is. Rotary compressor. And this is the unit I did get starting up in cool mode. And it's wanting to defrost. This exited. The fan should be coming back up in any moment now. There you go. But there you go. There was a little video of this 2011 4-ton Bryant fluid heat pump running in heat mode and defrosting. That was a pleasant surprise. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.